Welcome to the Informal newscast of bilingual investing called Crypto Climate. Jay here with you guys today, presenting the climatic pulse and forecast of the markets for the past week. Guys, before we actually dig into the content, if you enjoy this type of content, guys, make sure you like the video. It helps the algorithm. We would appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? It's just a click away. You click on this button right here. Click also on the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press videos, guys. Free content. Who doesn't like free educational content? In the description down below, we have a link where you could just click on it and you have access to dozens and dozens of educational videos for free, guys. So immediately we start off with the fear and greed index, currently at around 21, guys. In our previous episode, we actually reviewed the fact that we were hanging out exactly at the 20 support, give or take, and that's key. That's fundamental because it's been, support for since September here and back here since July. So for almost half a year, that 20 level has been fundamental support, and it continues to be. So again, keep your eyes on the fear and greed index like a hawk. Now we're at 21. Yesterday was 24. Last week 24. So in about 2 hours and a half from the time of recording of this video, we're gonna have that updated information, and Bitcoin seems to be breaking down a little bit. So we might break below that 20, and if we do, then market sentiment is gonna dump as well. So let's just stay tuned, and we're gonna definitely continue to keep you guys informed, guys. So speaking about Bitcoin, just as we said, currently it's at around $15,785, guys. Today we made a new local low, guys. The previous one was 15,000 about 600, and today we visited the 15,400 and some change level. We do see that wick there, as probably a lot of people had buy orders around this area. So we see the price action pushing upwards, that buy pressure. But at the end of the day, the candle today is bearish, is red, is negative, and it's just trying to pierce through clear support, which is around that $15,900 area. So if by the end of today we close below that area, then that might be further indication that if tomorrow's candle closes below such level as well, then that would be a confirmation candle, and based on probabilities, we could expect further downside action, guys. So today's video is all about panic in the markets, guys. Panic and fear have been dominating Bitcoin recently. These are all weekly bars, weekly candles. So for the past 3 weeks since that major dump with the FTX scandal and all that good stuff, Bitcoin has been dominated by panic and fear, guys. So you just need to stay even keel. That's the key. Just remain calm, have patience, and things will definitely work themselves out. On a weekly note, we do see, if we zoom in down here, we do see actually that we're currently battling that $15,769 level on the weekly, and again, it's just attempting to pierce through. If we would get that pierce through, then again, guys, we keep things simple, just horizontal lines, support and resistance. TA can't get any easier than that. The next key support level would be that 13,008, 13,007 level for Bitcoin's price. So we stay tuned. Have we closed a weekly candle below 15,760? No. So if we do, then probabilities will the probability will raise that we would come and at least touch this level down here. So we're definitely going to keep our eyes on this weekly chart, and we'll keep you guys updated in our crypto climate episode. So we have the DXY, guys. DXY had a major dump. It's been going down since this local top at the end of September. So today, now we're in November, almost at the end of November, and we just had a major dump. But now off this 105 key support level, as we can see, if we go back, it's been key support. We had this buy pressure wick here, which indicates that upward momentum in pressure towards the index, the Dixie, the DXY. So again, today's candle bullish, it's green, it's positive for the day. So we're gonna probably try and interact with that 108.31 as we can see back here, key resistance. If we break that to the upside, then we might attempt to reclaim the previous blue trend line that has been or had been clear support for the calendar year of 2022 for the Dixie, and then after that it would just be the local high back here, and attempting to break that. But we have to take things one step at a time. No need to rush. And right now the key resistance is 108.31. Keep your eyes on like a hawk to that resistance level, and we'll see how the DX continues to react in the next couple of days. We'll definitely keep you guys informed, guys. So again, guys, here we have our giveaway. We're doing a giveaway. If you haven't seen our previous video, come back here. We actually made a brand new video. Let's actually take a look. It's right here, guys. Just 20 minutes ago uploaded it. If you guys are interested in the full details, make sure you guys check this video. There's a more express version and a short that we made as well, so you can check these two out and inform yourselves on how you can apply for what's gonna be our Twitter giveaway. So go ahead and check that out, and it's all gonna be on Twitter. So if you haven't done so already, swing by, follow us, follow the rules. In this video back here, just go to our channel, click on it, and you guys will be participating in no time. Now in a bear market, who doesn't want free cash, right? So get yourselves on over to that video, and make sure you guys are qualified to participate. So guys, moving on, we have again the top 5 coins in the world and their performance for the past 7 days, guys. So let's actually come over here, sign in real quick. That happens sometimes, and we're gonna give you that fresh off the press information. So we start with Bitcoin, BTC, the king, currently at around under 16k for one BTC, man. Yikes. $15,775, guys, down 3.82%. Then we have number 2, currently Ethereum at $1,111. Man, the universe is on our side, man. That's a beautiful price. All ones, man. Wow. So it's down 9%. Number 3, BNB, currently at around $254, down 7.67%. Then we have number 4, XRP, the scam, currently at around 36 cents, down 3.18%. And then we have number 5, Cardano, man, 30 cents, down 6.67%, is barely holding on to that 30% level. Juicy prices, man. Bear markets, they're good, man. They usually represent just amazing opportunities. So, we move on to the top 5 best performing assets during the last 7 days. We start immediately with Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin's gold, currently at around $61, up 10%. Number 2, Binary X at around $158, up 7.70%. Number 3, OKB at around $20 a pop, up 8.24%. Number 4, the Monkey Coin, ApeCoin, currently at around $3.15, up 8.14%. And then we have number 5, said Leo at around $4, up 4.62%. The top 5 worst performing assets during the past week. We have Near Protocol, currently at around $1.56, down 20%. Then we have number 2, Curve DAO token at around 50 cents, half a dollar, half a buck a pop, currently down 18.21%. Then we have Trust Wallet token, TWT, at a fair value of around the number of $2, down 14.52%. Number 4, Solana, currently at around $11.87, down 13.56%. And then number 5, we have Decentralized Mana, the Metaverse coin, currently at around 36 cents, down a whopping 15.46% in the last 7 days. Man, the panic, the fear is real, guys. Just make sure your emotions are controlled. This is par for the course. It's a bear market. At least I've been here before, and it's nothing new for me. If it's new for you, that's what we're here for, to educate you guys and to provide you guys with the latest update. Guys, if you enjoy this type of content, make sure you guys like this video. It'll help the algorithm and our channel. We would gladly appreciate it. Also, subscribe if you haven't done so. Click on the notification bell to stay tuned for our fresh off the press updates and educational videos. There's a link in the description down below to our website, tools and resources that you might need. Thank you so much for your time and attention. Hope you guys have a good one.